Oh my god, they're ready. I am not ready yet. Where's my glasses? Carol for Butterfly and Blue News, reporting live. Today, we are about to sit down with Carol's family. The very people who were there with Carol since her very birth. So let's see what they have to say about Butterfly and Blue. And what secrets will they unravel onto the Google Meet. Ready na ba ang lahat? So I will share my screen again. Wished for once upon a time. At yun po. Wow. Thank you po sa mga applause. Thank you po. So, ano ang inyong thoughts? May recitation, may quiz.
At itong ko mo song ko yung mala indie. Hindi chill, Beatles.
Asya gyapad yakan ni Parker, and I was like, pag move ko nga diha Australia, sige na akong pamatin Beatles. Asya kapag very inspired ya.
I remember nga,
Oh, English pa.
ginistoryahan mo kadto nga, baga na story behind had to. Nagkikita ko good man nga to ka song. Okay, amo nga ni nagistorya ni Kaya ako.
Hindi pa na siya.
Thank you po. What about Chibo?
It's very sentimental.
Ay, wow. Ato ka album cover, dinadto niyo backyard giha.
Ano to na
Ano ko pala?
Anyway.
good morning.
Shanrey, ano ang masasabi mo?
I have always seen bale ako po ang roommate niya. So nakikita kong lahat na nangyayari. So I know how long it took to create the creativity of it all. And I think it's growing on me. Wow! Pwede tong Spotify, ang long drive, ganun. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yun yung masabi ko. Amen.
Yun ang sentiments ng aking roommate. Kumusta parentals?
I remember, may kapatid ko ito. Butterfly yung blue, ano? May
Yeah.
kantag yan pa kung title Butterfly. Naging finalist ito York City.
So, Butterfly ang title, Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Ano man ang chorus adto?
My butterfly, say there's no goodbye. Butterfly, I'm a butterfly. Pag-aamot na umulang ako na pinakayanak ka na kanta ng Butterfly. May da pa nga yun.
Butterfly in Blue.
Relate ko na akong kanta. Sabi na kay like father, like daughter.
Heart to. So, ikaw nami, ano man liwat imo thoughts?
Okay, it's a story about what she went through. Parang butterfly liwat baga evolution ba? Diba? From caterpillar to butterfly. Yeah.
Metamorphosis. Wow! Big word. Actually, true.
The sentimentalness and the metamorphosis of the butterfly.
Amazing. Who is Carol as a person? So, di ba, hiiputo. Tapos, paano na-reflect ka iya artistry now nga nagtitikang na yaha music? Wow.
Thank you for that wonderful question.